cathedral was easy. I did? Well, that was then and this is now, huh? Team Darkstar will have to fight their way through a series of increasingly deadly arenas. Bet they didn't see that coming. It's Shellshock, baby! Oh yeah, he's back! You know what they say about these Omega Series warbots. Takes a lickin', keeps on kicking butt!
Oh, man. Deja vu. Didn't we already scrap this guy?
Initiate annihilation program!
As you know, Shellshock's brain was destroyed by a cruise missile in the Obani Moon War. His brain was later replaced with an AI chip taken from a coffee machine. As a result, he is totally impervious to pain.
From what I understand, he makes a fantastic cappuccino.